I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the TV, then wait about 30 seconds to discharge circuits. Now remove the signal cable from the TV and any attached splitter. Label ports if needed so you can reconnect correctly. Visually inspect connectors for bent pins, corrosion, or dirt. Clean with compressed air or a soft brush. Once done, set up a spare known good cable or prepare a multimeter to test continuity. These quick actions isolate the cable before deeper troubleshooting. You now test the cable. Use a multimeter to check continuity of the center conductor and the shields separately, because a short or break is common. If you don't have a meter, swap in a known good cable or connect the same cable to another TV or tuner to determine if the problem follows the cable or stays with the Samsung. Once tested, reseat connectors firmly and remove any passive splitters. A short direct run often restores signal where split losses caused issues. You finish by reconnecting the confirmed good cable and powering the TV. Go into the Samsung menu, select the correct input, and run an auto-tune or channel scan to lock channels or digital signals. If channels still fail, update the TV firmware and only then consider a factory reset as a last resort because it clears settings. If signal issues persist, try the cable with provider equipment or swap the cable. If replacement fixes it, you've pinpointed the cable. Otherwise, contact your provider.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.